everyone, and thanks for joining me today for another episode of what's in my Aliexpress basket. It's all about the dies today. I have lots and lots of gorgeous dies to show you. Starting with this background die, £1.60. Very, very pretty. Look at that. It would just brighten up any card or project, and very, very easy to use and to put on your craft. Oh my god, what's the word? I don't know, cards and things and whatever you're doing. Then we have this treat box die, £3.90. Very, very cute to put little treats in, and you can spruce them up. There are other dies with it for bows, etc. Then we have this diamond lace die, £2.28. Again, very pretty to just put on the background of a card especially, or a box, invitations, you name it. The world is your oyster. Now this is put down as a wedding invitation die, but you can use it for any sort of decorating a card, etc. And it is £3. Very, very pretty. I've got quite a lot of these now. Building another collection, I do not know. As you can see, there's a love theme going on in the next few dies. This is a love tree die, £3.95, with the couple kissing at the bottom. Very, very cute. Look at that. And look, that's all that card has got on it. And then you could just put something inside of it. And we have a 5-piece square frame die set, £3.53. And you do get all of these pieces that are coming up just about now. There you go. So there are 5 dies there. Then we have this bride and groom, £1.94. Just exactly what it says it is. It's just the bride and groom, not the edging. It's just, you'll see, the bride and groom. Then after this one we have a beaded swirl flourish die. Obviously you have to add the beads on yourself, doesn't come with it, but it makes this gorgeous die that you can use with some of your decorative circles or diamonds or square backgrounds that you have. Very simple but very, very effective. Then we have these lace arch dies, which you can use on the edge of a card, invitation, etc., with a lattice design there. And then another love themed one. These are floating hearts, floating heart die. This is £2.26 and just gives an effect of floating hearts. Wait till you see this next one. OMG, I love this next die. Look at this. It's a DIY pop-up butterfly card die, £5.30, and look what it makes. Oh my gosh, just super, super, super gorgeous. Look, a great big pop-up butterfly. And then we have another lace border die, £1.89. I just love the pictures here of what they've done with this card. Obviously you're going to need other bits in the middle, but it is just lovely. And then something different. This is a Christmas baby bear die, £1.93. You get lots and lots of pieces to cut out, so it's a lot of fun to make as well. And then if you're into dogs, we have these lovely dog dies, £1.76 for 5 little doggies. Super cute. Super cute. Yeah, it makes a change. Usually I have lots of cats in my basket, but we have dogs today, and those are the dies that you get. And then we have these rectangle window dies. They're very effective. They've used them as banners here, but you can also just use them as tags. And wow, they're just gorgeous. I think you can use them in lots and lots of different ways. Look at these, like little windows and things. And we have this circle edge decorative die, £2.79, with these lovely flowers going around the center of this circle. And you'll see how many dies you get in a minute. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think. Butterflies in Flight die, £2.38. And you'll see from the die, the picture of the die in a minute, you get this, you can make the windows and then the butterflies pop out, so you can use them, you get the butterflies to pop on, I should say. Then we have these decorative square die set, and it's £2.70. This is what I call pocket money crafts, because you know, to the UK this is free postage, and I don't know if it's all over the world, but most of them are, most countries. Oh, and look at this butterfly tab die. It is just gorgeous. You can make so many different things with this die. I mean, it's 2 dies, but look what you can do. You can do a scalloped edge on that. It's just gorgeous. And then we have these butterfly flower dies, £2.32, and you'll see how they've used these dies in a few different examples. So those are the dies that you get. You get 3, and you can use them like that. Very lovely. Then we have a rose oval die, which is £2.63. I don't have that many oval dies. Most of them are square or round, but I thought that this was super pretty and lovely. We have another flower border die, £3.38. Great for invitations, save the date, you name it, or just a pretty card. What's coming up now? Okay, oh, these are a lace flower tag die, £2.81, and you'll see in a minute from the next picture you can use them as borders. Excuse me. You'll see the dies there are, is it three dies I think there, so very pretty. And then there we have these leaves die, so it is this kind of just big branch of leaves, £1.85. My cats are being very naughty. Stop it, naughty. Can you hear him? That is Charlie Asbo. Wait, pack it in. Sorry about that. Then we have this 5-piece die set, £2.71, and again you get all of these pieces, which you'll see in a minute. Now my cat stopped making all that noise. There you go. Right, heart flower die set. I didn't put a price down, but they will be in the description, and I think I've missed the next one out for the price as well. But don't forget just to click on the link, and it'll take you there. There's a square frame die as well, which I forgot to put the price down, so I do not know. I was having a moment probably. Excuse me. Right, this is called Madeleine die. It is a decorative square, £2.99. It's a little bit different, very decorative, very gorgeous and lovely, and you'll see you get these other bits from it. And look at this dad and son bear die set, £2.82. Bit of a mouthful, that one. And you get all of these pieces, so good luck figuring out which goes where. I just always cut them out, and then I can see from there where they go. And look at this flower and bird die, £2.27, and you'll see the die in a minute. It is just super lovely. And look at those little placemats you can make. Look, that is super. I love that. Absolutely love it. Very gorgeous for any kind of occasion. Then we have animals and tree dice, and they're £2.34 for all these little animals and these tree branches. Look at all them bits you get, and that's £2.34. See, very cheap, very cheap. Okay, now these are lots of leaves dies, so I like to have little flowers and leaves and little twigs and things to put on my projects, and they are £2.45 for the set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces there. And the last thing in my basket today is this lattice arch style decorative background thing, dye. It is just super pretty and will make any project really lovely, just beautiful. So that's what was in my basket today. I think that's it. You can see there are more bits and pieces to that one. You'll see how many bits you get there. There you go. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget you can click on the link to order any of the products that we've shown today. And take care, and I will see you all very soon for another episode. So yeah, bye.